So for me, true collaborative and partnership working is about having a shared vision across organisations and different structures. So actually, do people feel able to ring me? Will people come and bring ideas from the sector forward to us? Do we know what strengths we need to bring to the table, and are we proactive in making sure that the right people are part of shaping it? I'm very lucky as part of my current role that actually I can use that role to be a vehicle for change, but knowing that actually we need different people on the bus to create a really good collaborative approach together. Culture is really important. It's about creating a positive culture that enables Welsh ministers to deliver better Wales for our citizens and making sure that we're including citizen voice in everything that we do. An all systems approach supports the vision for the sector because it's a collective approach, empowering others to come forward with innovative and different solutions, created such phenomenal positive change in such a short period of time that I think that actually is really central to everything that we do. And I think it will be really central to me as a leader in terms of making sure that my approach is collaborative and I really focus on the innovative solutions of the people that I work with, of people across the sector, and of citizen voice to shape how we develop policy. I always ask myself some key questions to see about how I've created a positive culture and my role in that within the kind of the teams that I am part of. And for me, that's about considering if people feel empowered to disagree with me in a given week, if they felt that they can come and constructively give me an alternative opinion, and actually how have those conversations gone? Have they created a better vision? Have they created better outcomes? I also consider as part of that the language that I hear when I'm walking around the office. So actually are people speaking about language that's enabling, about what positivity is? Are people using change language? And that gives me a really good indicator actually as a leader about where my organisation is at and where my teams are at. But that's for me then to reflect upon what do people need differently from me the next week? Actually, how do my behaviours create the change that is needed to enable people to exhibit those behaviours?